Hey y'all, it's Renee from 9V Florida in the Panhandle region, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be going really quick through Lowe's. Got to get some screws to fix a fence. Got to get some mulch for some garden beds, and then I'm going to take a look at their daylilies and see if they have any colors I like. So let's get to doing that.
I thought you said 2 or 3. Maybe I dreamed that.
I think you dreamed I said 2 or 3. Maybe I ate that. Alright, coming on the clearance area here, and got some cute things, but nothing that I am really looking for right now. But they have a lot of these right now. So a lot of petunias, maybe some dianthus. If you're into succulents, you might want to head down to the Tiger Point Lowe's and take a look at those. You're doing great, hon.
Thank you.
They got some really cute butterfly bushes, but I've been burned this past year. I'll have to think on that. But they got some pretty purples. And look at that raspberry. Oh, it's gorgeous. All right, so here's the inside assortment. Lots of pretty orchids, bromeliads, lilies, and now we're gonna go look at the flower bulbs. So I'm pretty sure that the ones I got last time was this one, yep, definitely this one, definitely that one, and then there was a lavender one that I had gotten here.
Probably this right here.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. I'm thinking everybody got the lavender one. They do have some cheaper dahlias, like down here. It's probably just single. Oh no, it says it's 2 plants, but they're probably smaller tubers. And I've already got a bunch waiting to be planted, so let's see what they have on the other side. They got a lot of bare root fruits and veggies. Clematis. All right, so here they have some daylilies, but not very many. And like I said in a previous video, stay away from the peonies. As tempting as it is, they do not do well here. So we're going to be skipping those. And we got a situation today. So the situation is that I have some boards that need to be changed out, which causes me just a little bit of anxiety because the last time I did fence repair, I got a tick bite. Ugh. But I have lotioned up with bug repellent. My hair is pulled back, and we're gonna keep our fingers crossed that this space is open up enough where I won't need to worry about any ticks invading me. So what I'm gonna need for this project include the following. Oh, who's got wood? Claire's got the wood. Yes, she does, little sweetie. Hello, baby. Hi. Yes. Aw. Well, I probably don't have enough wood for the job that I want to do. I'm about 2 boards short, and I always like to have a stash just in case. But we're gonna go ahead and put this up. I went grocery shopping, and I went to Lowe's, and I was looking for lilies that were pretty colors. They didn't have hardly any lilies. I was like, what in the world? But they did have more dahlias. I may have bought some. I'll show you those towards the end of the video. All right, these are the other things that you're gonna need. Some gloves, something to hold nails or screws as you pull them out, something to help you pull them out. I have my battery operated drill. I have some screws. I have 3.5, and then I also have these 1 5/8. So these are the ones that do most of the boards that go into the cross beams. And then I have a shovel because sometimes, well, ground has a tendency to move around here a little bit, especially when you're on sand, and I may need to do some digging to make everything kind of flush up at the top. All right, let's get to going. All right, listen, I know some of my fence is not looking good, but take a look at this. Come on, bears, do me a favor. I don't need to have all this damage here. Come on. I got a gate you push open on the other side of my house all the time. Can we be civilized about this? All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and take down these boards and then put up some new ones. All right, I might try to do something. I'm going to try. That bottom crossbar is not attached to anything, and there's a lot of sand. I'm going to try to dig out around it and see if I can sneak that back in and push it where it should be and attach it. All right, y'all. One dead battery in my phone and a trip to Lowe's. It is finally done. Sorry I didn't catch the very end of it on there, but let me go ahead and show you what I got done today. Woohoo! So here we go. All this wood had to be changed out. And the corner down here, there weren't even crossbars attached to this post except maybe up at the top. And so I had to go in there and fix that because there were nails in the way that wasn't making any contact. I know these last two boards are a different color, but they are structurally sound. I think I changed those out during summer. I'm just saying. Half a year and that's what they look like. So I know they're touching the ground, but you know, got to keep the doggies safe in 2024. So with that, I hope you're able to get out in your world and make something beautiful. And bye y'all, until the next one. I know I didn't get a chance to show you my dahlias I picked up from Lowe's, but I'm going to show you those in the next video. Take care, y'all.